Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the clip is interpreted correctly and that your comp matches the target frame rate. This matters because After Effects calculates motion based on these values. Once done, convert heavy compressed clips to a high-quality codec like ProRes or work in 32-bit to preserve detail. Next, enable frame blending options, but do not apply them yet. This is preparation. Make sure your timeline and preview are set to full resolution when testing, so you see accurate motion results. Now you perform the core slow motion. Add time remapping and create keyframes for the stretch points you want to slow. Once those are set, enable pixel motion frame blending to invoke optical flow that generates in between pixels for smooth action. Then, increase the motion vector accuracy and sampling if artifacts appear. This trades render time for quality. Also, ease keyframes and use frame interpolation curves so motion feels natural. Make sure to preview small segments before full renders to iterate quickly. Finish by refining edges and adding controlled motion blur to hide minor artifacts. Too much blur will soften details, so use it sparingly. Render using a high bit depth codec and enable multi-frame rendering to speed the final export. If you see warping or ghosting, reduce the amount of slow down, retime only smaller ranges, or replace problem segments with optical flow plus manual frame cloning. If problems persist, export a short test clip and tweak motion vector quality before committing to the full render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.